When should you use Spring Boot starters versus individual dependencies? Imagine building a back-end application and wondering whether to use ready-made bundles or pick your dependencies one by one. That's what we're exploring today. Spring Boot starters are like pre-packed toolkits designed to make your life easier. They include a set of libraries needed for common tasks like creating web services, connecting to databases, or adding security. These starters are opinionated, meaning they come with default settings that work well together. For example, the Spring Boot Starter web automatically includes Spring MVC, an embedded Tomcat server, and JSON processing libraries. This setup allows you to get a REST API running quickly without fussing over individual dependencies. On the other hand, individual dependencies give you full control. You can choose exactly which libraries and versions to include. This is useful if you want to customize your project or avoid extra libraries that come with starters. For example, if you only need a specific database driver or want to optimize your application's size and performance, picking dependencies manually makes sense. For making backend development straightforward, especially when working with APIs, databases, or server-side logic, starters are usually the best choice. They save time, reduce configuration work, and ensure compatibility among dependencies. If you're building a typical backend service, starters help you get up and running fast with less hassle. Use individual dependencies when you need precise control over library versions or want to exclude certain features. If your project has unique requirements or you want a minimal setup, picking dependencies one by one is the way to go. Choose Spring Boot starters when you want to develop quickly with standard features like web services, database access, or security. They also simplify dependency management and help avoid conflicts. In summary, for most backend projects focused on APIs, databases, and server-side logic, starters are the way to go. They make setup easier and keep things simple. But if you need a customized or lightweight solution, individual dependencies give you the flexibility to tailor your project exactly how you want. This approach keeps backend development accessible and straightforward, helping you focus on building great applications.